What is up, YouTube? Yeah, so today, as you can see, I got a couple goodies in here. These will be the 454 mirrors I had ordered. I got them at my local AutoZone. All you have to do is go in there, get a pair. They'll order it for you, and then once they arrive, they'll call you. But yeah, I will be installing it in my truck today. It's dusty, haven't washed it. That one right there, it's my Pops single cab 06. But nevertheless, let's get right into it. I'm gonna pull this guy out. Once I'm out, I will install it. Let's get it, let's get it. Cold start, baby. Time to pull it out. Alright guys, and in order to take these 3 bolts out, they're gonna be a size 10 all the way around. The only thing is that the socket with the wrench won't reach to one in the back. You're gonna need one of these guys right here. Still gonna be a size 10, that way you get it with this guy. And you're gonna need a long socket 10, because if you get the little ones, it doesn't reach. Anyways, yeah, I'll take those guys out, and once I do, I'll install the other one. Let me show you a little before and after before I install the 454 ones. That guy, I mean, it's a overcast day, not that sunny today, but that's not the point. The point is that it's gonna look completely different once I am done. It's kind of hard to get one hand. I got that loose. This one's loose. I can loosen it up with my fingers now, and I'm gonna get the one all the way in the back. Okay, there we go. There we go. Try this one. All I'm trying to do is get them loose enough where I can do it with my fingers all by myself. Just kind of want to do it with one. Not yet, but I'll get this one. These ones right here. That one's gonna come out. So is this one. They're already loose enough. Yeah, I'll get it right back. Alright, it's completely out of there. Here's this one. I'm also gonna put these up for sale. I don't know if anyone's interested. I mean, they're literally brand new. Anyways, let's go get those 454s. Here are the mirrors. Let me see which one's the right, which one's the left. This one right here is the passenger. Therefore, we're not doing this one. Let's get it. Move this guy over here. Don't lose these 3 little nuts that will secure this guy. Another OBS. Okay. See you. That's how they come all wrapped up. Whatever. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Alright, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. There we go. That's how they come. They got like a gloss finish to them. I mean, let's install them, see what's up. Alright, now that the first one is in, let's do a little comparison. Wow, that's a big comparison. Yep, I honestly dig that way more than the big one. I mean, don't get me wrong, the big ones are nice. It's just the fact that, what's it called? They're too pointy and they're too big. I'm not gonna tell anything, and I just like the look of these ones. They're a little more sporty. Turn it on.